Would you like to learn how to make some delicious, sweet, crispy plantains? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do just that.
Lisa D Delight.
First, let me show you how to pick your plantains out. It really goes according to your taste, because the riper they are, the sweeter they are. And I happen to like mine bitty sweet, like me. So the green ones are not too sweet. So if you enjoy plantains that are not sweet, many people do, you can buy them green like this and you can cook them straight away. Or you can leave them on the counter and they'll ripen up in about 2 weeks or so. As they start to turn yellow and even black, that's how you know they're ripe. The more black in color they are, the riper they are and the sweeter they are. So I took them on home and I let them ripen up a couple of days. And the one on the right that still has some yellow showing, yes, it's ripe. But I like to wait and let mine get blackety black because it's even more sweet. And this is how you cut them. Plantains are tropical fruits. Of course, they're in the banana family. They kind of taste similar to a banana, but not really. They're more starchier than a banana. So they can be eaten raw, like you can just peel them and eat them, but I wouldn't advise it, child. They taste way better if you cook them. And they're usually larger than bananas, and the skin is harder too. Harder and thicker, so you really need to use a knife in order to peel the plantains. Just make sure your knife is nice and sharp, and you'll be good to go. You can really slice them any way that you like, but I like to slice mine on an angle, like so. Just try to make sure that they're the same thickness about, so that they can cook evenly. Now find you a good old sturdy frying pan and put a little bit of oil in it. You don't want to add the plantains to the pan until the oil is nice and hot. So this is how you test to see. Make sure that the oil is bubbling before you add in the plantains. And you don't need a lot of oil. A shallow amount of oil is just fine. It's not necessary to deep fry them or nothing like that. Any kind of oil will do. I just wouldn't use olive oil because it does not have a high smoke point. Do not overcrowd the pan because then that'll cause them to steam. Make sure you stay close by and watch them because they tend to burn quickly, especially the sweeter ones. Once they've gotten nice and golden brown on one side, then you want to flip them over and fry the other side. The way that you know that they're ready to be turned over is that you can look at the edges, and when you can slightly see them starting to brown on the edges, then you know it's time to flip. It'll probably take about 4 to 6 minutes on each side to fry them.
Lisa D Delight.
Once they're done, they will look something like this. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. I love me some plantains, and these were so yummy. I just have to have a dusting of salt on mine. You don't tell my doctor, I won't either. They're just so quick, so easy, and so delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.
You got recipes, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.